Hi, welcome to my channel. It is Josie and Josie here. I'm glad to have you back again. Thank you for whoever takes up the time to watch my videos, my previous videos, and left some of those lovely comments. I'm forever grateful. And if you're here for the very first time, or if you've been here before but you've never subscribed to my channel, please don't leave without subscribing. And I thought today I would come in to you with my September Makes video. Yes, September Makes. I've only had a chance to make just 2 items the entire month of September. And in all honesty, I've only been able to sew up in the last, I could say, 7 days of September. And I've made 2 items which I'm proud of. I can't say that sew joy disappeared, that I wasn't excited about sewing, but I think it had to do with life happens. You have so many things that get into the way and you don't get to do the things you'd rather be doing because it's called adulting. But yeah, without further ado, I thought I would show you what I was able to make in this month of September. And my first item is this jumpsuit. And this is the Zadie jumpsuit by Paper Theory Patterns. I know in my previous video, I talked about my autumn sewing plans. And I was planning to make the Zadie jumpsuit. And yes, I got around to making it. And there's nothing not to love about this jumpsuit. It's a lovely jumpsuit. It's a well drafted one, and from my measurements I was meant to sew up size 8 blending into size 10. However, the pattern comes up with massive, non-massive, but a lot of ease, so I decided to sew up size 8 throughout. However, I was happy with the final project, but I planned, the next time I plan to make the same jumpsuit, I'm going to make a few alterations here and there. This was meant to be a wearable toile, because I was meant to sew the final jumpsuit in a different fabric. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough fabric for that. But I love the jumpsuit. I love the way it came out. Maybe a few changes I'll have to make on my next one. I've already made the changes onto the pattern pieces, so that the next time I sew up another piece, the part is ready to go. If you can tell from here, the waistline, the bodice runs up to here. And my normal waistline is over here, so probably it's clear that it comes down low on the bodice. So I've already made the necessary adjustments. So the pattern pieces, I've taken out an inch, about an inch on the bodice to get the waistline to sit at my natural waistline. And the other alteration, I'm making the crouch. If you can tell, it comes up so low. It's not the flattering bit about the jumpsuit. And I guess it's meant to lie quite low, but I'm not so happy with it. So I've also planned to take out about 2 inches in the crotch area to shorten it up, and probably that would mean I have to increase the length of the leg so that it doesn't come so short. And probably if you've watched a few of my videos, you know one of the key adjustments I always make on most of my patterns, I do a sway back adjustment. And probably if I do the same, take out and do the sway back adjustment on the pattern pieces to give me a better fit in the back. But all in all, it's a beautiful pattern. It's well drafted. Or maybe something else I'm going to do, if you can tell, it does fit right with the straps, but it comes off quite wide. It's not the worst. So I'm also cutting the next piece out in size 6, which is their smallest size. If you've met me before or you know me, I'm quite a small person, so I end up always making the smallest size of all patterns. But yeah, and I'm planning to size down to the size 6, and hope with those adjustments I'll be able to come up with a better fit of the Zadie jumpsuit. In all honesty, I can't fault this. I like the way it feels on my body, and every time I've worn it out, I've had lots of compliments from the first day I made it. And this jumpsuit, I made it out of a tie and dye African wax print fabric I've had for over 2 years. I'm really happy with how it came out. Even with, I think the print disguises all the flaws that you would probably pinpoint, like the low waistline and a few things I probably might want to change in the future. The print tends to hide everything, and I'm so happy with the way it looks and the feel. I've actually worn it out twice after making it. About 6 days ago, I've worn it out twice, so it's going to get lots of wear. And I bet even in the autumn, when it gets cold, I can layer a black t-shirt underneath and still wear it out and about. But I still plan to make another. This is not going to be the last one. I plan to make more Zadie jumpsuits as it's so comfortable to wear. And probably another bonus about this jumpsuit, it comes with no closures. It has no zips, no buttons whatsoever. It's just the straps that help with the fit. And it also comes together pretty well, pretty fast. So it's a good jumpsuit. I've joined the bandwagon of the Zadie jumpsuit, and I love how it feels on the body, and I like how it fits. Thank you. Let me get into my next make. My next make for September is this gorgeous canopy dress. Canopy dress by Nina Lee Patterns. It's a pattern that I've fallen in love with. I've so far made it once before. This is the second one I'm making, and I made it out of this gorgeous fabric, spring fabric, from Minova.com. This is for my Minova mix. I was gifted this fabric. I remember ordering for it in June, but I didn't get it until towards the end of August. I understand it was not in stock by the time I ordered for it. I chose this particular one, and when I returned from holiday, I found it, and I was glad to sew it up. And I thought the best pattern that would suit this fabric would be a shift dress that doesn't have to cut the prints. You can agree with me, this is such a gorgeous pattern. Unfortunately, I think I'm too early for spring, but I think it will get lots of wear when the time comes. And in all honesty, nothing stops me from wearing it in autumn. It's a gorgeous dress, and if I feel like wearing it, probably layered, because it's getting pretty cold in the UK already. Anyway, this is this canopy dress pattern by Nina Lee Patterns. It's a gorgeous one. It features pockets, front pockets, and I had to make a few changes to this pattern since I've made it before, and I probably plan to record a video reviewing this particular pattern since I made it before, and I've had to make a few changes that have made me fall in love with it, with this particular dress. It's a gorgeous dress. I'll give you a twirl and you see how it fits on the body. In all honesty, you don't need a lot of adjustments and fitting adjustments to get it fitting right. As long as you get your busts and hips measurements right, it will suit nicely. And this pattern really comes off a bit short. I made it previously and it was quite short to my liking, so I lengthened it a bit, and I'll have a detailed video reviewing this particular pattern, and hope you stick around and watch it. But for now, I could say those are my two lovely makes for September. I'm so excited that I was able to make them, and I'm glad that I managed to make them at least in the last 7 weeks, so 7 days of September. In all honesty, I made this one on the 30th of September, a few hours before 1st October. But I'm grateful that I was able at least to make two items this month. I'm so grateful. Give me your views about the patterns. Do you like them? And what do you think about this dress? Should I still wear it in autumn, winter? I grew up in Africa, which is warm all year round, wear the same colors all year round. So I'm still getting to understand which colors and which fabrics and prints I should wear in the autumn, in the winter. Or if it doesn't matter, I could as well wear whatever I feel like. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for sticking by. Please like the video and comment. And if you're here for the first time, please don't leave without subscribing. I'm always excited and have a happy dance whenever I get a new subscriber to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you again. Bye-bye.